Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save vinyl. This is for t-shirts, this logo right here. And I'm going to show you how to fix it, to cut it so that you use less vinyl. And at the same time, how to do to size it to make a bigger logo, like for the 2 extra large or 3 or 4 or 5 extra large t-shirts, and having a 12 by 12 vinyl. So let me just go ahead and let's go ahead and proceed with that. This one here, I use that for the t-shirts from small to extra large. And so now basically what you're going to do, I already have the logo here, but I'm just going to go to upload, and I go upload an image, and I'm going to be looking for that same logo. And let's look for the logo. So here's our logo. We open it. We have it already here. And it's white. That's originally the color. We're going to go complex, and we're going to go continue. So very carefully here, I'm going to go and crop it right in here. And then I'm carefully going to go ahead and grab the whole rhino, just like that. So I already grabbed it, and now I'm going to release, and there it is. Okay, this logo was already without a background, so we don't have to do much of it. So you do apply and continue, and you go cut image, and then you go upload. So now we're going to go again to upload image, browse, downloads, Joe logos. Here it is. We go to complex, we go to apply, then we're going to go again to crop, and we're going to go like around here so that we can grab the whole set of letters. So we're going to go here, and we're going to release, and there we have it. So now we're going to go apply and continue. We're going to go cut image, and we're going to upload those two and add into the canvas. Okay, so what we're going to be doing with these, we're going to put them just side by side. So we're going to go ahead and align them, and then we're going to go ahead and grab them all together. And I'm going to be going to either 13. I think 13 is good. Let's go 13 and a half. And this is going to be for my bigger t-shirts. Now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to put it together. And this one, I'm going to separate them also. So what we're going to do, we have them separate. Another thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this one, and I'm going to tell you why right now. And so let me go ahead and hide these for a minute, but I'm going to be making a little size so that I can put it on the sleeve, on the sleeve opposite to the logo, this logo. So I'm going to put it on this side. So, and it's 1.5 for the regular t-shirts and 1.75 for the larger t-shirts. Okay, so now we can go ahead and change these different colors. So we want to go ahead and make it green right there. And so now we go ahead and print. We go to make it, and by doing this, if you had them all together, number one, you will not be able to print them because you only have a 12 by 12 vinyl. That's when you only have a 12 by 12. And number two, it will take too much vinyl. And so let's just see if we make two and apply, and there it is. and then you can go mirror, and there you go. And just fix them so that you use less vinyl. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to just place it right here, make it straight. And then I'm going to put this one up here, and this other one up here, and then I'm going to fit this one down here. So by doing that, you're saving like about 2 inches of vinyl that you can use it for other reasons. And I mean, you're saving vinyl and you're able to print a bigger size for your printing. So that's the option, you guys. I hope this helps. And for now, that's all for me. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.